A model with no name appeared on OpenRouter. $0 per million tokens, a 1 million token context window. And in 4 days, developers pushed 14 trillion tokens through it. This is Ox Alpha, the most mysterious model of 2026.
Let's break down what it is, what the numbers say, and why everyone is sendable fighting over it.
On August 20th, 2026, a new entry appeared on OpenRouter. Stealth/Ox Alpha. No company, no system card, no press release. The listing describes a reasoning model designed for coding, sustained agentic work, and production workloads. It is the 5th anonymous stealth model in 6 months. Pony Alpha turned out to be Zhipu's GLM5, Hunter Alpha, Xiaomei, Elephant Alpha, Ant Group, Owl Alpha, Meituan. Every single one, a Chinese lab. Ox Alpha is the only one nobody has claimed, yet.
A spec sheet, verified directly from the OpenRouter API. Context window, 1,048,576 tokens, the full 1 million ceiling. Maximum output, 131,072 tokens. Input is text, image, and video. Output is text only.
Tool calling, structured output, JSON mode, and streaming are all supported with adjustable reasoning effort. Knowledge cutoff, late 2025. And the provider claims capacity of 100 trillion tokens per day.
Now the price, because the price is the story. Input $0 per million tokens. Output $0. Cache reads $0. That is not a discount. That is a free frontier class model. Today, $1 buys you unlimited calls.
Even if it converts to GLM 5.3 rates later, you would still get around 2,000 simple calls per dollar and around 250 agent steps. But there is a deadline. The free window opened August 20th and is expected to close around August 27th.
What about the numbers? There are no official benchmarks. The OpenRouter page lists none, and artificial analysis does not track the model. So the community ran its own tests.
On Kingbench, Ox Alpha scored 87.5%, second only to GLM 5.3, ahead of Opus 4.8 and Quen 3.8 max. On a full 113-task Deep SWE run, it resolved 58.4%.
And it solved 2 tasks in one shot where GLM5, Grok, and GPT 5.6 all scored 0? But honestly, without an agent harness, LevCode Ben shows just 28%. This model wants tools and a terminal, not a chat box.
Run the simulation. 100 agent calls, 10,000 tokens in, 3,000 out. Ox Alpha today, $0. GPT 5.6 Luna, 56 cents. Claude Fable 5, $25. If you run agent workloads at volume, this free window is worth real money.
Best fit. Open source projects, hackathons, evaluation pipelines, and non-sensitive production experiments. The performance per dollar grade, while the price is 0, is simply unbeatable.
The verdict from hands-on users. Pros. Verified long context with needle retrieval 3 out of 3 at 934,000 tokens. Frontier tier agentic coding, 69 tool calls, 1 error, 0 retry loops. Multimodal input, the only coding model that understands video, and it is free. Cons.
Anonymous operator, no SLA, no support. Front-end and CSS generation are weak. At maximum reasoning effort, it can overthink and repeat mistakes. And the free window ends around August 27th.
So who built it? The community ran the forensics. Tokenizer fingerprinting. 95 out of 95 probe strings matched the GLM5 family. The open source tool model print matched 6 of 9 infrastructure probes to ZAI's GLM 5.3. Every other lab scored 2 or less.
Error codes switched to Chinese and mirror ZAI's API exactly. Even the video encoder matches GLM5V Turbo. One tester calls it GLM 5.5, a next-generation unified multimodal model. The model itself never confessed. It did not need to.
Speed and scale. OpenRouter monitoring shows about 25 tokens per second with 99.99% uptime.
4 days in, Ox Alpha hit #1 in OpenRouter token usage. 14 trillion tokens processed. The top senders are all agent harnesses. Hermes Agent, 120 billion tokens.
Claude Code, 108 billion. This is not chat traffic. This is production agent work on a model with no name.
This is what it looks like on OpenRouter right now. Stealth/Ox Alpha, $0, 1 million context reasoning model. The endpoint card shows 99.99% uptime over the last 30 minutes.
If you want to try it, the OpenCode Zen route offers 0 data retention, while the OpenRouter route retains prompts. Choose your route before you paste your code.
But free has a price, and the price is information. OpenRouter's own listing says prompts and completions are retained by the provider, a company that has not said who it is. Europe's AI Act transparency rules took effect August 2nd, with penalties up to 15 million euros.
An anonymous processor is a compliance blocker. Community rule. Open source code and synthetic fixtures, yes. Passwords, customer data, and proprietary source code, no.
Ox Alpha? Frontier class coding, 1 million token context, multimodal input at 0 cost. The strongest evidence points to Jipu's GLM family. The free window closes around August 27th, and the identity reveal may come with it.
Test it with nothing that matters, and measure it on your own tasks. If you found this breakdown useful, like and subscribe. We will be here when the mask comes off.